Hello students, today I am telling you exercise 11.4. See first question. A garden 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectare. So garden is given that is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad, means 90 meter is length and 75 meter is breadth or width. And path is built 5 meter wide outside it. So path you will build outside it, and its width is 5 meter all around. This is also 5 and this is also 5. All four corners width is 5 meter. You have to find the area of path. So how you will find? First you will see inner length is given 90 meter, then inner breadth is given 75 meter. You will find inner area. Inner area will be, it is shape of rectangle, so length into breadth. So 90 into 75, you will get 6750 meter square. Now you know the width of the path is 5 meter. Now you will find outer length, this length outer, and outer breadth. Outer length will be 90 plus, you can see 5 meter width is given from this side and from this side. So you will include in 90 this to find outer length. So 90 plus 5 plus 5, that is 100 meter you will get outer length. Similarly now you will find outer breadth also. Breadth is inner is 75, then 5 plus 5 you will get 85 meter. Now outer area you will find length into breadth. Length is 100, breadth is 85, you will get 8500 meter square. So area of path will be outer area minus inner area. 8500 minus 6750, you will get 1750 meter square. You have to convert in hectare. So 1 meter square is has 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So 6750 meter square equal to 6750 upon 10,000. Simplified, you will get 0.675 hectare. Now see second question. A 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the park. Similarly, same as first question, in this also 3 meter width is given and rectangular park length is 125 meter and breadth is 65 meter. So inner length is 125, inner breadth is 65 meter. You will find inner area L into B. 125 into 65, you will get 8125 meter square. Now width of path is 3 meter. You will find outer length 125 plus 3 from both corners. You will get 131 meter. Then you will find outer breadth 65 plus 3, you will get 71 meter. Now you will find outer area, length into breadth, 131 into 71, you will get 9301 meter square. Now you have to find area of path. Now outer area minus inner area, so 9301 minus 8125, you will get 1176 meter square. Now see third question. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. So this figure is given, this is 8 cm long and 5 cm is breadth. There is a margin 1.5 cm all along it, all along the corners. So again outer length is 8 cm, outer breadth is 5 cm. Therefore, you will find outer area, length into breadth, 8 into 5, you will get 40 cm square. Now margin is 1.5 cm, so you will find inner length 8 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, you will get 5 cm. Then inner breadth you will find 5 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, you will get 2 cm. Now inner area, length into breadth, 5 into 2, you will get 10 cm square. Now you have to find area of margin. How you will find outer area minus inner area, 40 minus 10, you will get 30 cm square. Now see fourth question. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Two parts are there. First part is area of the veranda you have to find. Then you have to find the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at a rate of rupees 200 per meter square. So figure you will make room, length is 5.5 meter and 4 meter is width, and 2.25 meter is the width of this veranda outside. So inner length is 5.5 meter, inner breadth is 4 meter. You will find inner area, length into breadth. You will get 22 meter square. Then width of veranda is 2.25 meter. So outer length you will find 5.5 plus 2.25 plus 2.25. You will get 10 meter. Then outer breadth you will find 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25. You will get 8.5 meter. So outer area you will find length into breadth. 10 into 8.5 you will get 85 meter square. Therefore, area of veranda, how you will find outer area minus inner area. 85 minus 22, you will get 63 meter square. In second part, you have to find the cost of cementing. So, cost of cementing 1 meter square is rupees 200. Therefore, cost of cementing 63 meter square will be 63 into 200. You will get 12,600 rupees. Fifth question, a path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find, first part is area of the path. Then in second part you have to find the cost of planting grass in remaining portion of garden at rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So now square park is given 30 meter and on all four corners 1 meter is given width. So outer side of square is 30 meter, you will find outer area. Area of square is side into side, 30 into 30, you will get 900 meter square. Then inner side you will find, how you will find 30 minus 1 plus 1 from both sides, you will get 30 minus 2, that is 28 meter. Then inner area will be side into side, 28 into 28, you will get 784 meter square. So area of path will be outer area minus inner area. So 900 minus 784, you will get 116 meter square. Now you have to find in second part cost. So cost of planting grass in 1 meter square equal to rupees 40. Therefore cost of planting in 784 meter square, as you have to 784 meter square is the inner area. In that you have to put a grass in the remaining portion. So 784 multiplied by 40, you will get rupees 31,360. Then come to sixth question. Two cross roads, each of width 10 centimeter, cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. You have to find the area of the roads, also find the area of park excluding crossroads. Give the answer in hectare. Figure you will make 700 meter is given length and 300 meter is given width, and these two are crossroads which are cutting each other and parallel to its length and parallel to area of roads. You will find, how you will find area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2 minus area of figure 3. Area of figure 1 you can see length is 300 meter and breadth is 10 meter, so 300 into 10 plus area of figure 2. Figure 2 is this, its length is 700 meter and breadth is 10 meter, 700 into 10 minus area of figure 3, its side is 10 meter, so side into side 10 into 10. You will get 3000 plus 7000 minus 100. Simplified, you will get 9900 meter square. You have to convert in hectare, so divide by 10,000. You will get 0.99 hectare. Now you have to find area of park excluding roads. How you will find area of park minus area of roads. Area of park is 21,000 minus 9900. You will get, area of park is 2,10,000 minus 9900. So you will get this much, 2,100 meter square. Now you have to convert this also in hectare, divided by 10,000. You will get 20.01 hectare. Now see 8th question. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off length required of cord. Then she wrapped around square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? This you have to find. First she has wrapped on a circular portion, then she has wrapped on a square shape. You have to find, did she have any cord left? So how you will find? You can see radius of circular pipe is given 4 cm. You will find this perimeter, that means 2 pi r. Perimeter or circumference both are same. Pi in question it is given, you have to use 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 into 4, you will get 25.12 centimeter. Then side of square box is 4 centimeter. Perimeter you will find 4 into side, 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter. So you can see that circular portion she has used 25.12 centimeter, and in square portion she has used 16 centimeter. That means chord is left. How much is left? Therefore length of chord left equal to 25.12 minus 16, that is 9.12 centimeter. Now see student, ninth question. In the adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in middle. You have to find, in this parts are there. You have to find first part, area of whole land. You can see length is 10 and breadth is 5. So area of land will be length into breadth. 10 into 5 you will get 50 meter square. Then second part, area of flower bed. Flower bed is in circular shape, so area of circle you will use pi r square. 3.14 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, radius is 2 meter. You will get 12.56 meter square. Third part, the area of the lawn excluding the area of flower bed. So area of lawn excluding flower bed means area of whole land minus area of flower bed. Whole land area is 50 and flower bed area is 12.56. You will get 37.44 meter square. In fourth part, you have to find circumference of flower bed. Circumference of flower bed means circumference of circle, 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 multiplied by 2, you will get 12.56 meter. Now see 10th question, you have to find the area of shaded portions. Figures are given. This is first figure. In this you can see dimensions are given. You have to find the area of this shaded portion EFDC. How you will find area of this ABCD minus area of triangle BCE minus area of triangle AFE. EFDC, area of triangle ABCD. You can see length is 18 and breadth is 10. So 18 into 10 minus area of triangle BCE means half base into height. Base is 10 and height is 8. Then minus area of triangle AFE, again half base into height. Base is 6 and height is 10. Simplify it, you will get 180 minus 40 minus 30. You will get 110 centimeter square. In this student, second part is also there. You will try to do yourself. Now I am telling you 11th question. You have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. AC equal to 22 centimeter, BM equal to 3 centimeter and DN equal to 3 centimeter. Figure is given. You have to find quadrilateral area. How you will find area of triangle ABC above portion and area of triangle ADC below, that is given. Both you will add. So half base into height, base is 22 and height is 3. In this also area of triangle ADC, base is 22 and height is 3. Simplified, you will get 33 plus 33, that is 66 centimeter square. Thank you.